showed it was red.
Keep right.
Well, it was red, and then there's a yellow line, and then red again.
I mean, and that's the whole point of. That's exactly what Waze avoided in Cincinnati. When she was navigating us through the flood.
I don't know. But that
For about 25 miles, continue straight on.
Again, I get distance-wise, I'm sure it's farther. Because you're going down this way, then getting on 270 to go back up. But if you don't want to deal with downtown traffic, and especially since, those cars were stopped.
Yeah, and it was backed up way on the other side.
Yeah.
I looked a little bit to see if it was starting to thin out just beyond, but it didn't really look like it was.
Well, on their map, it wasn't. It was red.
So that's why.
I can't tell you how far it was red, but it is. Yeah, I sort of know this. Not well. I've cashed this area. Kitties woke me up around 4 this morning. I think they just wanted to snuggle. One got up, I petted it, and I thought, oh, that's Sammy. And then he got in the crook near my neck and calmed down. And then Benji came up, did pretty much the same thing on the other side, but I just petted him for a couple minutes, and then went back to sleep.
Well, but
then they got me up at 5:50.
Now that I've been watching cat videos, all sorts of things pop up. There's one where they shampoo a cat like you would a dog.
Yeah.
Well, but to see a cat sit there and take commands.
Oh, no, I've seen that, yeah.
I thought that was amazing. It's like turn around, let's do your head.
Yeah. Like I said, I've seen the cat videos where somebody turns on the shower so they can get in the shower. The cat jumps in and it's just sitting there like, this is so wonderful.
But maybe bathing the cat, it's like you watch Puppy, but except with a cat. I don't think people bathe cats very often. There's usually not the reasons, unless they've gotten into something. So, you couldn't train it up to do that on command unless you've done it a bunch of times. I don't think any of our cats will go out bathing. Our other cats. I don't think these cats will be. it shouldn't cause all that.
I don't know, honey.
I mean,
But at least this way, this is very open, and yeah, if it's a weekday and you're doing this at 4 or 5 o'clock, you might have an issue with it.
well, see, I mean, and that's why the traffic back there was so surprising to me, because you've got all this open area, and it's like,
Are you paying attention to the trees and less about the traffic that will pass? Very rusty looking. Once I actually got her to recognize we were going this way, no matter what she said, and the route she was showing, this one that I pushed showed 35 minutes faster.
well, I mean, the traffic was just
So
at a dead stop.
why would they,
I don't know.
unless it is programmed somehow?
Yeah, but I think that's the whole point. It's not programmed. So it just makes no sense on any level. But she's entitled to have a glitchy day. She's gotten us through some.
Well, it's not just her. It was Waze.
I know. I mean, so that's why.
Yeah.
I mean, it's not
You
like
just do this.
it's not like they're getting compensation for recommending 64 and bottle. I mean,
No.
it's like there's no possibility of corruption. There's no possibility of stupidity. But
These trees are pretty too.
yeah, I bet. Well, I wonder when peak time was for this.
Huh?
I wonder when peak time. You know.
No, it's gone.
Well, I know, but I just wonder.
And we just didn't have that. It's been too dry. That affected a lot of things.
Well, yeah.
So I'm guessing peak would have maybe been like a week or so ago.
I still remember a Letterman or Leno when they were, following the leaf changing down the New England coast, and some places, like the first place they talked to people was like it had been even passed. Soon enough they got to one where it hadn't even arrived. So.
Yeah, well, if you just look at the trees here and how bare a lot of them are,
Yeah.
this would be considered past.
So I actually have, footage from a lot of days in between. So just let me see what the time was.
I can turn this off, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you know what you're doing.
Well, yeah, from the minute we've gotten on this side.
Okay. And I walked up that
the bump.
Well, we were following a car for a long time with the pup hanging out the window. Oh, yeah, I see. But it was much smaller though.
Just like a border collie.
Oh. John, you just make me crazy.
Sorry.
You don't drive like a normal person.
Probably a few things I do. Well, anyway, YouTube's algorithm is still mysterious to me, but I have watched 1940s like light manufacturing from Britain and or heavy even, and I'm just appalled by the lack of respirators and stuff like that. Like in metal
Yeah.
metal foundries. Well,